We're not zooming, bro. We're twitching, bro. We're twitching, bro.
You're a different creature. I swear to God.
Good. Where do I see the stats? I'm trying to see the stats, bro. I gotta see the stats, bro. Yo, Donut.
Yo, Pat.
Where are the stats, dog?
You're a stat.
You're so funny, bro. My God. How are you so funny?
That was the dumbest shit.
Hey, language. Alright. We are live. We've been live for about a minute. Okay. Okay.
A little bit of pop in there.
A little bit of smoke.
A little bit of smoke.
Alright. So, you
All right,
wanna where did we stop and what are we trying to do right now?
What you mean? What are we trying to do?
Why are we on this call?
We're trying to progress with Digi.
Okay, but remember that yesterday we were
are
doing something?
at the transparent stuff.
Okay, but what part?
Like I can remember after the incident.
You were the one programming, so how am I gonna remember?
That's cap.
Good. Can you just share your screen and then we'll look at
I'm
how much
sharing
code
it
you...
right now.
No, you're not. I'm not seeing anything. It didn't say.
It's because you're whack.
My God, dog.
All right. Okay. Man, aggressive.
Good. Share the dim screen.
I'm trying to. Oh no, he's gonna find out. He's gonna find out these bad things I have with him.
Okay, we already know the messed up stuff you watch,
Oh no, not this. Wait him. No, wait him.
Kid, let's see it, dog.
Did I invited you, bro?
It's not showing up.
Nah, you're not accepting it,
This is why Apple is sus.
I hope Apple hears that you're never gonna drop it.
This is why.
I hope they offer you 1.5, 150 bands, and then they see this video and they can reject it.
Yeah. Good. No.
I invited you.
Nah, Apple's good though. They got good experience design, you know. Their UI is beautiful. Not gonna lie, you know. Not gonna cop.
Now he's really simple. He's a big simp.
I was having a talk with my manager today, and
I don't even simp that hard. What's your manager say, bro? What's your manager say?
Like we're the company, we're striving for a more unique, not unique, a more what's the word? Unified UI in all of our stuff because we have a lot of stuff and they have a lot of different you have a lot of different experience when you're using the application, so we're trying to strive for a more unified UI. So and one of the app companies mentioned, and that does the script really well, is Apple. So did you send
it's ultimate.
Did you send the what are you doing it through? Is it through Zoom?
Yeah, what else can I do it through?
The last link I join without video. Better mute yourself.
You are.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
You are so.
Alright.
Whoa.
Share screen, please.
Why am I hearing myself double? Oh. Alright, ready for this?
Alright.
Let's get our journey started.
Why are you running the server?
I always have run in the background.
You know that pretty soon you're gonna be using the Golang one.
I'm gonna be using the what?
Go server, Geo.
Whatever suits your boat.
It's whatever floats your boat, sir. Get your English correct, okay?
Okay. This is where we left.
This is what?
This is where we left off.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we left off.
How do I put the brightness on? Okay.
That's great.
Mm-hmm. Can you run it?
I am running it now, sir. Your Highness. Can't deal with you. It's just not.
I think that the part that we got on was that we were gonna try to see what it looks like on your phone, because we wanted to see whether the transparent thing is actually working. So can you put it on your phone? And can you use a good cable this time, please?
I don't have another cable, G. This is the only cable I got. Alright, we give it our go. We give it our best. We try as hard as we can. We pray. You ready for this? Are you ready, Pop? I'm never shaving again, bro. Never. It's like I'm shaving tomorrow.
Oh, kid, I got 2 more days and then I'm off for work, bro.
For how long?
3 weeks.
This man's about to turn up.
Turn up where?
In the house.
In whose house?
Your own house.
Nah, bro, you better turn down. Turn down for what? What?
That's right.
Mm.
That thing is so light that you could barely see.
Can you send a screenshot?
I don't think I want to.
This man's always wasting time, bro.
All
Always
right.
wasting time, bro.
Not
Always wasting time, bro.
no ying. Not no ying.
Sir,
You got? Did you get it, big sir?
so the transparency works.
It does. It's just so light.
So make it darker. You're the one who made it that color.
Ye nice them. Now, grab the cellular device and give it another run. And if the cable exits one more time,
What are you gonna do? You ain't gonna do anything.
I'm gonna grab
Okay.
another. I'm gonna grab another cable.
That's sus,
Yo,
bro.
did you see the new thing about India having a new virus? You think I'm joking? I was dead when I saw that.
Uh-huh.
What you mean? Look it up.
Kid, I don't care about viruses anymore.
Oh.
If it happens, it happens, dog.
Y'all heard that loud and clear.
Is it on your phone?
It's on your stream.
Alright, so it should be good now. It should have opened.
It did open. I'm checking it right now. Oh, wow. That's much darker.
Can you send me a screenshot, please?
I don't think I can. And even if I could, I don't want to send you anything.
I don't want anything from you either.
That's kind of cool though. I like it.
Okay, now we're gonna put the both icons within the container. Wait, so I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Should the bottom one be higher?
Why? Why?
Is it gonna be able to fit the shutter?
Let's find out.
So put the shutter within the container there, within the bottom container.
I know. I see what you mean. Okay, let's get it done. Let's do it together forever, right?
Just do it.
Okay. You're selling mine to mine. You're selling mine to mine. Oh no! I accidentally copied first.
I hope the simulator breaks. So yeah, I hope it gets to a point where you can't use it anymore.
I hope it does, and I'll buy another one. Psych.
Isn't that too low? Like, won't it? And the other icon isn't showing up. That's one thing. Won't it? Oh no, it's not showing up because we don't have the camera. It's gonna show up if you put it on your phone. So isn't that too low? Like, isn't that too close to the
We could put some padding if you want.
I'm asking you. You're the iPhone user. I don't use iPhone, so I don't know if is that too close to the bottom. I'm on my personal thing. Like, I think it's too close to the home.
I'm gonna run it on my phone. And if I have an issue where my finger actually tries to swipe out when I tap it, then we move up. Alright? It looks nice though. It looks very nice. Like very, very, very nice. Like professional stuff, right? I have no idea how we made it this far.
I have no idea either, bro.
I'm gonna start making music, bro.
Kid, this patience thing is a real. It's a virtue, bro. It's a fucking virtue, bro. Like, does that make sense? Like, is what I'm saying making sense?
Kind of.
Mm-hmm. Like, do you understand?
Patience is a virtue.
You just repeated exactly what I said. This is why I don't associate with you, bro.
Wow, that looks great.
Can I see?
I don't want you to see.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, I just sent it. Did you get it?
No. You didn't even send it to me.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Young buck.
Now it's typing. You liar.
You are kind.
But are you able to use it?
Yeah, Pat, I just have a question.
What's up?
I just want to realize, like, why do we have the transparency things?
Why did we have the transparency things you said?
Yeah, why do we have them?
If you look, because if you look at, because the selection things, I don't know why did we, because we that's isn't that what you showed on Snap?
Snap actually doesn't.
There was somewhere that you saw the transparent stuff.
Snap doesn't have any transparent stuff.
There was somewhere we saw some transparent stuff, no?
Let me check Instagram. Maybe that was it.
Yes, it was.
How do you know you have Instagram?
No, because those were the two things that we were looking at.
Yeah, it was Instagram. Oh, they do transparency. Do you know why? Because you can only, so wherever the transparency cuts off, you can't even use that as an image. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
But we can. Ours is just for looks. There's in Instagram, they have a purpose.
But the thing is, eventually we're gonna make uniform pictures, right? We're gonna.
Oh yeah,
we're not,
squares.
Huh?
Oh yeah, squares.
Yeah. So we're not gonna be because different phones have different aspect ratios and I don't know how that's gonna work.
That's the issue me and Josh had.
Oh yeah. I think that we should just leave it for now like this until we get it, so that until we decide how we're gonna make the pictures uniform.
Oh yeah.
Make the rotation thing white. The rotation icon, the thing to switch between front and back.
Yeah.
Make that white, so that we're able to see it through the transparent.
Okay. Are you proud?
What does it look like?
You gotta run it.
You won't be able to see it if you don't run it on your phone.
Your words have propelled me forward so much.
Kid, I'm not even able to see you. It says poor connection. The video will resume automatically.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna call you. You broke it! Nah, you rotated your phone, didn't you?
Yeah, you smart ass. Wow, that looks weird.
Can I see?
Yeah, you wanna see it, bro? Sight? You ain't seen it.
Why did you do that, kid? Why did you do that? Why did you break it like that?
Yeah, that's
Why?
what I did. That's what I did.
Go back on the thing. Go back on the wherever we could see the where we set that icon. Wait. Flat button icon on brush. You know what's going on?
Yeah.
Look at the properties of flat button icon. No. Just look at the properties of flat button icon. You know the reason why I'm telling. Oh my god.
What's the reason?
If you go on flat button icon, go to definition.
Thank you, bro.
It looks like it.
So
if you go on the text, go back. This is the text that I think gets rendered, and that's why it says on. If you look at your screen, your phone screen, it says back. So there's a text associated with it. And then there's the icon itself, and then all of those are formed. All of those form the flat button icon. Flat button from an icon. So,
can I try something?
What do you want to try in?
Never mind.
What were you trying to do?
Something. Remember the dot mid?
And what was that gonna do?
Compress it. And it was gonna get rid of the extra white box that we have. And compress it. Remember helping me with that?
Take out the color. Yes, take out the. Okay, now label. This text has to have a style. The style has to be white. Right after that comma.
I really hate you.
Yes. We could use context of and then text style blah 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 white. The context of stuff, theme of context, and then dot. Theme that of context. Yup, and then do we have context passed into this? Yeah. Go. Close the parenthesis. Dot. No. Dot. Okay.
Yeah, because we just have a color just white.
No, we have text styles. My God, go into one of the other things so that we could see how we use the text styles. Look up where we use body text 2. Just do a.
Where do you see body text 2?
Line 39. Yes. Now, do a search for it.
How do you search?
Control F. Command Shift F. Or Control Shift F or Command Shift F. One or the other. No, this is only gonna search within the thing. We want to search it in the whole project. You see? There it is. Text theme.
Oh. Look at that.
So now we we need to figure out how to pass in the context to our scroll up.
You could have just set the color to white, G.
Yeah, but what's gonna happen if you want to change the color, right?
You go and change it.
This man, bro, he just loves like when he has to change stuff multiple places. You just love it. You love it, don't you?
Well, this is
You
one
love
thing.
it. You love it. Yeah, and then the next thing's gonna be one thing, and then the next thing's gonna be one thing, and then the next thing's gonna be one thing, and the next thing you know, you have 4 places that you have to change it, and then you forget about half of them. Scroll up. Please.
I fucking hate you guys.
Please. Yeah, so we should have the build context available. So if you do widget.context, I think that we should have widget. No. Scroll up. I don't. Can I get control for a bit?
Oh yeah.
No. This is Zoom, bro.
I hate Zoom.
That's not how you do it, bro. You have to go on the Zoom thing to give permission to people. Let me see if I could ask for permission. Request remote control. Request. Did you get it? Okay. Click to start remote control. Okay. So we have the camera screen state, and then we have all this stuff and its state, blah blah blah. Where did you see context?
At the top, bro.
I'm at the top.
A little lower. A little lower, bro. A little lower, bro. Right there, bro. Right there, bro.
Okay.
Right there, bro.
So context. I don't get why context is in it. So we have widget build, right? Context, blah blah blah. We even use context here.
Is it because we're not passing context in?
It's not that we're not passing context in. Theme of context.
Maybe we should pass context in.
Okay, look. We pass in, we pass, well, it is passed in here, but if you look at, where's an instance where we didn't pass in context, but we were able to use it?
You were gonna kill me.
You see here, how we have a function get body text? We don't pass in context, and we're able to use it.
How? Oh, maybe because we're already in the class with context. Maybe that's why, Pat.
Let's see.
You're such a sneaky.
Oh yeah, we save it into the class. So that's why we didn't have to pass it in. Wow, it's annoying to have to pass it into each.
Everything's annoying for you, Pat. Everything's annoying for you.
Kid, don't make me pull the gap, bro.
y'all heard it loud and clear. That's all I needed. FBI, do the damage you need to do.
Don't make me pull it, bro.
He's gonna be like, nah, I said cat.
That's what I said though. Don't make me pull the cat, bro.
That sounds even worse.
That's just gonna rip your face.
Patsy pulling cats, yo.
What's a gap?
Cats.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to pass in context for now. It's either we do that or we set it to the state. We set it as a.
I told you to set it as a regular color, but you want to do all this.
Yeah, then we're gonna have to repeat the
And
change.
this is why we never
change
get
every
far.
time.
We never get far because Pat keeps having us do build contexts.
Yeah.
We never get far. We don't got time to get far. We only got time to do build context.
Yeah. Why isn't this rolling here? Okay.
You just break the.
I wish. You know what I'm gonna do one of those days?
You will buy me. all my parts again, and you will spend the 2 days getting Mac OS on this thing again.
You know what I'm gonna do one of those days? I'm gonna open up terminal and then run a command that just destroys everything. And then
I'm gonna come to your crib with my cat. And I'm gonna show you.
What am I looking for? This man's breaking my focus, bro.
Context.
Wow, it's not letting me click it.
Bro, fix your mouse. Oh my goodness. That's what I thought.
Kid, when we're gonna clean it up, we're probably gonna make it. We're probably gonna assign it to the class as a member variable, so that we don't have to pass it in each time. The scrolling on this is horrible.
Had to change my life.
Can you put it on your screen, on your phone, so that we can see what it looks like? It's probably gonna be some huge text, so we're gonna have to change the properties. We'll probably add some. Huh?
What?
Yeah, because you see how it's font size 18. Our thing isn't body, so we're gonna have to. I wonder if there's a property in
Oh wow. It's not that bad, to be honest.
with the size 18.
Yeah.
Well, let me see what it looks like. I thought it was gonna be huge.
I sent it.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought it was gonna be huge.
Me too. I thought I was gonna break the screen again.
But do we even need the text?
To be honest, I don't think so, G.
Yeah.
As long as we got a correct icon, we can remove the text.
What does that icon change?
Yeah, it says back. I changed stuff.
No. No, I'm not talking about the text. I'm talking about the icon itself. When you click it.
Yeah, the icon changes. Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah, so we don't even need a text there. So let's take out the text, and then let's just make the icon. Let's just make the icon.
It would be nice to make a container that's exactly the size of the icon, so it could be white in the back. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
You don't make sense.
I'm not helping you anymore, bro. I'm doing this.
Good. Good. We just have to look at how this. Oh, this is a floating action button. Yeah. Camera. Yeah, this is the camera lens icon.
Camera lens icon.
So we could get rid of the label. What's a flat button icon? What's the difference between a flat button icon and oh, is it cool if I open up your browser?
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro.
Is this
You already opened it up. You already opened it up. You already did the damage that needs to be done.
Is this the theme that you chose?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For now.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna get changed again.
Yeah.
Thanks
Yes,
to you
sir.
for exposing my thing.
There's certain jokes that I can't make. Like the kind of stuff that popped up in my head, I can't say them out loud.
Not good stuff.
But
It's
I'll
not
get
good
you.
stuff.
What am I looking for? Flow. Icon, button, flutter. I'm pretty sure we could just use the icon button instead of the
Bro, chill. They got good buttons, bro.
instead of the flat button. Yeah, you see?
That's what we don't want.
Why not?
We want a flat button.
Do you even know what the flat button, how the flat button is different from
Yes, there's no small animation of it being pressed. It's just a flat button. It's just a button that's there. You see how there's like a little animation that shows gray around it? Lots up. That's what you get. That's exactly what you get. See? Yeah, I was right. I was right.
Yeah, but why wouldn't we want to show feedback when someone taps it?
Because they're gonna see the feedback instantly when they tap it. The camera's gonna swap.
Not really. Don't you see that when you click it, it freezes for a bit?
This guy really didn't know how jack shit what to say.
Kid, take out your camera right now and then flip it.
He just said something.
Okay. Do that shit with Snapchat. Press one of the things. You're gonna see what happens.
I'm gonna do it right now, bro. I'm gonna do it right now.
This man.
They have no feedback.
They have no feedback.
And it's double tap. It just changes automatically. There's just double tap. It's not even a button.
The other buttons.
They got a little bit of feedback.
Kid.
But we don't need no feedback for that.
For
bro.
what reason?
Just trust me on that one.
So it's just gonna like that's the thing that's gonna mess with the UX, bro. It's just gonna without telling you that you pressed it, because when you press something it goes it should give you something to tell you pressed me, you touched me. Now after
Do it. You wanted that bad. You want to go that far. Do it.
after you're
It's like, you touched me. That's a whole meme in itself right there. If I clip that clip.
and then after you're done.
That's it. You touched me. Oh no. 911. 119.
Damn, we could go above 100, bro. That's a lot of things,
Isn't
bro.
that insane? Isn't that crazy?
That's insane, bro. I got a question for you.
What is it, bro? What is it?
You're not using Vim. My fault. We could get rid of the label, right? Same front and back.
Yeah, I think so.
And then we could change it. You see? This is a sign. What does it say? You see, create a text button. This is made for text buttons, bro.
Sure, bro. Sure. You run this.
This is me.
Change it to regular icons, bro.
It's not a regular icon, bro. It's not a regular icon. It's a button icon, okay? It's an icon button.
B2 an icon.
Icon button. And you see, that's all we had to do. Let me see what it looks like on your phone.
You know what we're gonna have to start doing? We're gonna have to start using your phone, your computer, and your cable. Cause I'm sick and tired.
You want to do the server?
I will not do this.
So if you want to know something, if I don't have to be doing the front end stuff. Okay?
Chill, bro, chill. You didn't have to do that part.
Is it running?
It's running, bro.
Alright. Make it walk. Kid, I love I love it. I don't care. I love it. Is it running? Are you building it? Okay.
Don't you see it's running?
Huh? Hey, when are you coming to Haiti, bro? So I could get smacked.
When you come to Albania,
I'll go to Albania.
I will come to Haiti.
It's open right now. It's open. It's open.
Oh yeah? Go check it again.
I'll go right now. This
You
man.
get bopped.
Kid. Oh, it says connecting to V. Okay, should be ready now.
It should be ready.
Send me a screenshot when you're.
It's just the button. It's we can't. We gotta change the button color to white because that.
Yeah, we're gonna change it to white. But can you show me what?
Yeah, sure, bro. Let me just show you something real quick. There you go, big fella.
I still haven't gotten it.
I just sent it. You need to be patient with these things, all right?
And when you tap it, what happens?
It changes the camera. What you mean? What happened?
Does it give the feedback?
Yeah, it gives the feedback, and it looks like the feedback is cut off because it's so far to the left. We gotta make it more to the right with padding or something.
The thing is, if you.
Oh, this kind of made it worse.
How?
Now there's like a white screen until the camera changes. Before, I don't think there was.
Kid, the only thing that changed was the.
I don't know.
There is no way this made this worse because the only thing that changed is what we're using for the to call the event, and this event stayed the same.
Didn't do it before. Now it's doing. Could be your issue.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah. Nonsense. The event stays the same. So
Nah, it's fine. Oh, that's amazing. This app is wonderful. It's working so wonderful.
Kid, I wish I didn't know you.
I wish I didn't know you. You goofy ass.
Where's the floating action? No, it's
when
not.
Facebook
floating.
sees this app, they're gonna be like, "Wow."
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna sell to Facebook for 53 cents. Site? We're not selling this for less than $1 million.
I think that we could take out. What was this align for? Expanded, align, center, left. Is your phone still plugged in?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna save it. It should rebuild it. Performing hot reload. Can you tell me what it looks like?
It should rebuild it. Oh, I know what I could do so I never have that issue. I just put the lock on. And now I can use it like this. I'm never even moving my phone anymore. Never even disconnected. You ready, Pop? You ready, bro? All right, you did it.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's perfect.
Can you send a screenshot, please?
No.
Why you always want to make me cry, dog?
Yo, you need to stop asking for screenshots. My phone's getting like no memory.
That's Apple for you, okay? No space.
My phone's getting no memory.
Yeah, so we're good.
Dobre. Еще один прям. Работа. Alright, I'm back.
Okay. So, you said you wanted the icon to be white?
Yeah.
Why?
Because if it's a dark area, you can't even see it, bro.
You sure? I'm just asking a question. Are you sure?
This guy,
No.
yo.
Get camera
This guy gets me
icon.
mad.
Icon.
Why are you doing
Because
I'm leaving.
Okay, Andy, okay. Write it. Since that's what you want, write it.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I won. I am a winner. It is nice. It's nice. We're keeping it like this, bro. Alright? We're keeping it like this, bro. Looks great. Did you put going ham part?
What?
I am hurt, bro. I can't believe I'm part of these videos.
Kid, can you send me a screenshot, please?
I am hurt, Patrick. I'm really devastated by your actions. Never thought you could betray me this bad.
Did you send it?
Oh my god. This guy keeps asking me the same.
Hi. Okay. Okay. Now what's the next thing? Because we were talking about having the two, the transparent stuff. Now what's the next thing?
Well, I think we did it. It's all we really needed, to be honest, for this part of the GitHub stuff that we had, the Git issue.
Are all the tests good?
I just need to test. I need to test the button, which changes the camera.
Yeah. Well, how are you gonna test it if you don't have a camera available? You're gonna have to mock the camera. Kid, you have to mock it, bro. How are you?
Bro, I'm not gonna test that icon.
How are you not gonna test that icon, kid? You have to validate that it works.
Are you crazy? What you mean mock it, bro? I'm gonna
Kid, the same way that we mock connectivity.
You gonna help me mock it, right?
Remember, you said the same thing for mock connectivity, kid.
You think I'm good at mocking, bro?
So you learn.
I'm gonna mock it for you, and then when the whole application breaks,
it's not gonna break. You're mocking it for a test. The test isn't gonna break anything.
How?
Oh, what? What's your question?
We don't need this. We just needed to confirm that screen shows up, and we have that with that button. The other
you know what I can't wait for?
What?
Because eventually you're gonna have to I don't know. We're gonna have to.
It's gonna be sold by then. It's
Huh?
gonna be sold.
You don't even.
This issue's
you
gonna
didn't-
be up our hands.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sold.
So how are we gonna test taking an image and then uploading it to a validating that the upload is going through?
What you mean? Say that one more time.
So when you take an image, right? Eventually, after the screen, there's gonna be an image that we have to upload, right?
We're gonna mock it.
So how? Okay. So why not just do it now?
Just mock a button. Do this whole mock stuff for one button. When we already have to do a mock stuff for that stuff. Trip it a 15 triples to the work.
Alright, just validate the appearance. Validate the appearance, and then when we get to the point where we have to take the image that we take from the phone and then process it to send it to the server, we'll have to do some more mocking. And you're gonna be the one who's gonna do the mocking.
You're my favorite.
Yeah.
So we're good, right?
You tell me.
I'm good. I'm gonna go finish my tests now, and then I gotta do code clean. Alright.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay. So now we are back to using the actual Go server to using the actual Go server to test the stuff. Using the mock sorry, I just got a couple of messages from Ian and I had to answer them. So we're gonna be using our instance of, I don't think this is the right VS code. Okay. Yep, we're gonna be using our instance of file system, and we're gonna mock it for our tests. So now we have to go back into this is right. Now we have to go back into the Affero package so that we understand how exactly to mock stuff. Affero Golang. First, define a package variable and set it to a pointer, and send it to a pointer to a file system. But it's important to know if you repeat copies of it. You will be using a set underlying file system that will reduce the ability to drop the file systems as desired. When obligation is any function that we do like blah blah blah. So this use Affero for testing. Yeah. So now we'll be able to pass in our memory file system. we'll be able to use an instance of our, what's it called? A file system, which uses a new memory map file system, and then what that's going to allow for is a memory file system that we could just throw away once we're done with it. So so my question is, what about this function test exist? Let's see if this is one of the obscure things about Golang. Golang test exists. So here we have a test exist. Test exist. The reason why I'm looking for this is because certain keywords are, well, I'm feeling very sleepy today. Certain keywords result in certain actions for Go. So let's check out the test for this. Yeah, we should probably split this up into src. Rename to src, and then have tests, and then new file. Good. Move to trash. And then we'll make a new file. A new folder, call this tests, and then we'll put this in there. So test.go. Ah, fudge! I named the wrong. Is it? No, it's actually the right thing. Move. Wait. src test. This is what I'm. Okay. src, so we have our source code, we have our test for the source code, and I don't know what these are for, but let's see let's see if we're still able to looks like we we should be able to still run the stuff. So go run server.go. And yeah, if we go on to our server, the endpoint rather, localhost 8090, we should get, yep, we got the HTML I we're expecting. So we rename this to source, we rename this to test. Now let's try to test get artifact. So if we HTTP request. Test artifact with one new HTTP request, and then HTTP test reporter, HTTP, and the font artifact. And then if we go into our source code and then we check out server.go, Let's make a new folder. Let's call this content. Well, it's not content. It's more like the stuff that people upload and are able to retrieve. So let's call it. Yeah, let's just call it artifacts. I know that I've been using artifacts for a while, but this is what's going to be holding the uploads and downloads. And so now when we contact this endpoint, we want the stuff to be stored into artifact. So if we go here, let's see where our path is headed out. File name. Where's the copy? IO copy out into and file system. Open file. So open file editor, not file name. So we're gonna have to look into creating storing images in specify directory. Go. Specify copy location. Okay. I'm trying to save my files to different. However, whenever I run the script, say whatever directory the script will be. I tried. Let's see what. Start. Home directory available to myself at home directory. So we don't want it to be start. So if we let's see how he's able to save it into a let's delete after. Okay, so D is the downloaded desktop. So file path without join desktop key. So from let's see what this method outlaws for. This is taking a bit of. So let's just look into Go file system for now. Going file system. File. Yep, this looks. I think that this is our answer. Sorry guys, for some reason I'm feeling so sleepy and so tired. It's like I'm having a lack of energy. Yeah, so this looks promising. Let's try to implement this. Oh, it's still loading. Now we have we have our file here, right? And then source is equal to file dot open. We don't have a file dot open, which is fine. And then we have an out, which is the destination. So let's be a bit more okay. rename rename symbol. What is source? Rename. What the hell? Can't find package containing. So we have source, and then we have source close. Now destination. Destination dot close, and then copy destination source, and then we're good, and we have that. What is the issue? I think it's because we had a bit of we were playing around with the files. Or not, I don't know. Terminal. Let's try to run this. We'll run server to see what happens. Local works 8090. Yeah, it works normally. But oh, I don't know yet. I have to actually go through that route because it's uploaded in the files. And then submit. And yeah, I think that let's just delete it and make sure that it actually delete it. With the trash. Let's do the same thing again. Submit, and it's there. Perfect. So it is uploading it to the correct position. And I think that the only problems are that exploded type artifact. So yeah, these are all things about documentation, which we'll get into later on. So we have server artifact source, and then now if we look at this on Stack Overflow, so we have our source, right? Source is equal to blah 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 source. The first source dot close, and then we have our destination, which is os.create. So let's try os.open file. os.open file. os.open file. Header.file name. I wonder if os.open file also takes into consideration the file path. let's see, because if it also takes into consideration the file path, what we should be able to do is just for testing purposes, we should be able to have it stored in artifact slash, right, it should store it into this folder, artifact slash, and then our file name. So if we now run it, we'll see, we run our server, we choose file, this, and then we'll submit it. Yeah, so it saves it into so it does take the path into consideration. So if we just go to root, let's see if there's an easy way to, because what we could do right now, we could just decide that we go back a certain number of directories, right? We go back to artifact. Well, right now we'd be at source, right? And then we go back one more, we'd be at Mural device, and then we go to artifacts, right? Artifacts, right? And this should save it into our artifacts folder. So go run server, and then we submit, and then if we go into artifacts, it's not there. It is not there. Artifact. Let's delete this. Let's also delete this. Oh, it's not there. Dot slash dot slash. So dot. So normally it would print it here, right? Oh yeah, I think that we. Oh, I think it print. I think I went back one too many. So this should print it the correct way. So I'll probably have to go back and clean it up because I printed it somewhere it's not supposed to. So submit, and now oh, there it is, artifacts. Did I not put the slash? Yeah, I did put the slash. So dot slash artifacts. Yeah. And if we, let me just save it. And if we run our server one more time, this should submit. Yep, it's in there. Ah, yeah. Yep, it's in there. Artifacts, and then we have our screenshot. Perfect. So we have it in the right location. Now let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Now we have our source folder, which takes in the file and stores it into our artifacts folder. Let's see now. Yeah, this was doing it through relative path. Let's see if we could get the project root, because if we're able to get the project root and then just slash artifact, then that would be better for it would be easier for us to change it, because we wouldn't have to control the number of dots if we ever want to make this an even deeper package. So finding project root going. Here's yeah, this looks like we should be good. Let's see what it's gonna print for us. Actually, so we try this. Try to copy this and then just print this out right here. Well, we don't have to. Let's do it in main actually. Server.go main. FMT dot. Right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what that's going to print out. Oh, I think that it stops at the server now. Listen. Yep, this is what we needed. We have we have. No, let's just print. Yeah, we have a file path. So we have this blah blah blah. Object no device, which is our project root directory. And then from that, we should be able to just append should be able to just append this PowerPoint directly here. Yeah. I wonder if we do this, if it's going to reformat it to be one line. Okay, perfect. Oh, shit. So the formatting does matter in Go. So we probably have to turn this into some kind of a function. Because this is getting long. It's not like minutes. It's this long. So, probably going to turn this into a function or something like that, so that we could just get the file path directly. So, file system, open file, file directory, and then we're going to append artifacts. Slash. And then we need a slash here too. Well, let me make sure to delete this. Delete. And then we go back to here and choose it. Oh, it's already chosen for us. And then we just and then we submit it. Open your device. SRC. Yeah, what we just did there was for nothing. We could put it back to what we had before, which was just artifacts. Yeah, we could simple it. Oh no. Okay, good simple. Because what happens is that it is giving the correct thing, so it's running within source, which is that's strange. It says mural device here, right? But whatever. We'll just keep it. We'll just keep it like this for now. Let's get rid of let's see this. Let's just I wonder if there's like a watcher for. Well, I'll look into. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that for now. Now that we save it into the artifacts folder, artifact.go. HTML. I don't know what these are for. I'm trying to move them just see if it breaks anything. Yeah. CD. Artifact. I think it was go install. CD.cat. So. I mean, there is a way to recover the files. It's just I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to remember how we could get the files from Trap. I'm trying to remember how not remember, but I'm trying to see what command exactly was it that we had to run. So that we are able to get this package. Maybe go build. What was in the other? Maybe this one. Yeah. We go install. Yeah, I was just making it bigger, smaller, just so that I could see whether this would change. But look at it. How were we able to? So if we go on to server.raw, it's not throwing any errors here. It is throwing. So. Can't find package. No. Go XRC artifact. Yeah, but it should be looking for it locally. I don't know why it's looking for it in the Go path. Where the hell did I find those two files from? Go mod. Go some. These were the two files which we just deleted. Go some. Modify December 6th. And then go mod. So how do we generate these. How did we generate these files in the first place? Go mod. And then go sum. So now if we do go this is not good. How how were we able to run the server? Why did I remove it? Without committing it first! I don't understand. CD artifact go install CD data go run server data. Oh, come on. Where did I go wrong? These are the two files I would recently moved to trash. But when I ran to install, it did something else. Module. Well, the module is supposed to be arty, not artifact. Package. Module. I don't know if that's right. I don't know what this does. Let's try it. Ah, fuck. Really slow. Well, we effed up, guys. Come on, Patrick. No, we have to go through this. We're not using this anymore. Page artifact is not. Come on, we just had this working. Why did I remove those two files? And now even with the two files back in, it's still not working. This is the beauty of going and yeah, I might as well delete these again. What are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong? What step are we missing? Oh. What are we missing? Good Lord, what are we missing? Force artifact. Well, guys, now you know to commit your stuff before you make big changes. So we will be going through and trying to get this running again. Oh, the disappointment. Making a local package. God, you do that so cool with that. There we go. Maybe if we go into our, in fact, I'm going to do a go build. Should have a. Oh, okay. So we do that, and then what if we do it now? Go and stuff. You will find package dot and blah blah blah. Now let's see that. Hmm. I think I might know what I'm supposed to do. Go mod. Right. So SRC. Server. SRC server. Let's write a more strings package and use it from the hello program. First create a directory from the package named home. We got a file name. Ah. Yeah, guys, I think I have to call it quits for tonight. Package no longer imported properly. After removing go.mod check out further info on application. Okay. I think that's it for tonight, guys. I feel very heavy. My brain's kind of foggy. So, I guess we're gonna continue. We were able to see that the package actually worked. So I guess that the goal for tomorrow is gonna be to get it running again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you guys. Peace.